In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently set up and connect using ProtonVPN on your computer. Whether you're seeking enhanced privacy, secure browsing, or simply exploring content from different regions, setting up ProtonVPN effectively can help achieve all these goals. Let's get started. First, ensure that your ProtonVPN application is open on your computer. If you're greeted with a prompt to sign in, enter your Proton account details and proceed. Once you're logged in, the main dashboard will greet you with a user-friendly interface. This is where all your VPN maneuverings will take place. You'll notice a world map sprawling across your screen, which is cleverly used to represent server locations globally. Alongside this, there's a list of countries on the left-hand side, each representing a potential point of connection for your needs. Now, to choose a location, you'll have two intuitive options at your disposal. You can browse through the list of countries. Simply click on a country name, and a list of available servers will unfurl before your eyes. This expands your choices, allowing you to make selections based on server performance, proximity, or personal preference. Alternatively, you can navigate the world map directly and click on one of the interactive pins. Each pin marks a server location, providing a visual and engaging approach to server selection. With your preferred server in sight, it's time to establish the connection. You have a couple of straightforward methods to do this. Locate the Connect button situated next to your chosen server and give it a single click. Alternatively, you might find double-clicking the server name equally effective, particularly if you spot something like US Free/1 etched before you and you wish to use it. Either action is designed to swiftly activate your secure connection. Once you've clicked to connect, give it a moment. ProtonVPN works diligently to establish a secure link between your computer and the server you've selected. This process might take a few seconds, so a little patience here goes a long way. When the connection is successfully made, your screen will display a reassuring green connected status. This indicates that your IP address and online location have now been securely changed, allowing you to browse the internet with a newfound sense of security and freedom. By following these steps, you're well on your way to enjoying everything ProtonVPN has to offer, from secure communications to global content access. Remember, VPNs are powerful tools that safeguard your online presence, so making them a part of your digital habits offers significant benefits. That's it for today's guide on setting up and connecting to ProtonVPN. Enjoy exploring the internet with enhanced privacy and capability, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.